Hi, in this video we'll be continuing with the csharp.net tutorials, so we'll be going over enums again. So we'll be using an enum variable to step through an array's elements. So I don't think we've done this before. So we have an enum here, enum day, and then we have different values, Sunday, Monday, all the way to Saturday. So then here we have actually that's it. So actually first we'll declare also we'll declare and initialize an array. So here we'll say decimal array. So we'll go with just vals. Points to, we'll go like some number here. Remember, a week has 7 values. Like a week has 7 days. And our array here has 7 different values. 100, 200, 300, all the way to 700. So here, when we use our loop, we can use the enum to actually just iterate through the array. So it's a tricky concept. So here we'll just go for, we'll say for a day. We'll just go day count. Points to, well, what's 0 going to be? So 0 is going to be Sunday. So day.Sunday. So for day count points to day.Sunday. Day count is less than or equal to day.Saturday. So what is that actually saying? Okay, well, hold on, let's just finish the last part. So we'll go day count plus plus. So what's that actually saying? So we have for day count, so for day count, so that's our initializing variable that's going to point to everything during the iterations. I forget what they call it. There's a name for it. Whatever, I just call it a pointer variable. It's not really a pointer. It's just a variable or object variable that points to each iteration's data. In this case, it's going to be an index. So for day count, day count points to day.Sunday. Well, what does day.Sunday represent? Day.Sunday represents 0 in the memory, right? So we have Sunday as 0. Then we have here day count is less than or equal to day.Saturday. Well, what does Saturday point to? It points to 6 in memory. So this is basically saying for day count points to 0 and day count is less than or equal to 6. That means it's going to have 7 iterations, because 0 points as 1, so 1 plus 6 is 7. Then day count plus plus. And here we'll just show a message box. So we'll say message box dot show vals for plus day count plus r plus, and we'll reference our vals array of array index day count. Then we'll need one more thing to message box dot show it. We'll have to go .toString, and we can format it as a currency, so we'll just pass in the string C. Kind of tricky. I think I messed up somewhere here. Day count. Okay, what's the problem? Message box dot show vals for a string concatenated to day count concatenated to or plus r, the string, concatenated to vals of array index day count. Okay, what's wrong with that? Problems. I think we need a cast, maybe. Let's go with a cast. Let's go with day count cast it here to an int. There we go, that works. Okay, so my professor, oh, sorry, I think I missed that actually, so that's correct. So now the value will be casted to a number, so it actually retrieves the number in memory. Okay, so I'm just going to run that and then tell you what the answer is. So it should just say vals for, on each iteration, it should say vals for example, 0 are, for example, 100 or something like that. Okay, so it says vals. Okay, so instead of so day count actually, so when we don't cast the day variable, it retrieves us a string basically, which is not really a string. It's more just like a literal. So it returns us a literal. So vals for Sunday, it says are $100. I should say is, but you guys get the idea. It should say is. So if I click OK, it'll go vals for Monday are $100, vals for Tuesday are $200. I think I messed something up here. Vals 0, 1, 2, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay, sorry. So vals for Wednesday are $400. Vals for Thursday are $500. Friday $600. Saturday $700. So you guys get the idea. So when we call our day count variable here, it actually retrieves us the literal name. So in this case we have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And then when we cast it to an int, it retrieves us the number that each variable basically is holding in memory. So in this case it iterates from 0 to 6. It shows us that pretty much when it's, for example, 0, it retrieves the value 100. So it's kind of tricky. But that's because we're passing in that number to the array. So for example, if we pass in Sunday to the array, we're passing that as an index to the array so that we pass in 0, which then we retrieve 100 from memory. So that's pretty much it. So that's the end of enum and arrays. So thanks for watching, guys. If you guys like the video, you can like and subscribe to support the channel for more programming and investing tutorials. In the next video, we'll be going over the image view, container, and control. Actually, it's also a data structure. So we'll be going over that. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Thanks.